Girl, is that your hair? Is that your real hair? How is it so curly like that? Huh. I know those ain't crochet braids. Stay tuned to see if it is. Hello all. I really hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, staying warm, and staying healthy. It has been a whirlwind of a month, I should say. I've been MIA, just working on me, resting, and recollecting my thoughts. If you're new here, welcome. This is Neferpersona. It's my alias. Persona just means multiple. I share my multiple looks, multiple personalities that I have, and just art. So if you like that type of content, this is what I do. As you see in today's video, I found this awesome hair, I think from Ebony Line. It is by Expressions. It is called Naturally Curly. I think I'm in love. I tend not to say I love things because, it's a little bit weird to me. I should just say I like it a lot. But I decided to braid my hair down this time. Of course, braiding my edges down as you see to still keep those as protected as possible. Spring is upon us, winter is dwindling down, and we've just been through so much these last couple of weeks. So I decided just to do my hair. This was during the dreadful snowstorm that we had. I really was not feeling enthused to do anything. Just seeing all the heartache and stuff out there with the snowstorm and the result of it. We made it through perfectly fine. The only thing that happened with us, our heat did go out. My furnace kicked the bucket. It's fixed now, of course, but it was like on one of the coldest nights. We had backup heat, so we were okay, but you just never know. Always be prepared for the unexpected, because you never know what tomorrow may bring. But we're still here, so I'm grateful for that. Yes, I caught a little bit of a cold because it was so cold. That's why my voice sounds funny, but I hope everyone is doing great. Hit me up in the comments and let me know how you're doing. I hope it's great. But this hair gave me life, y'all. Like, I'm gonna do this style again. I thought that I like free tress hair a lot, but I'm really feeling this. Like, I've had this in my hair literally for almost 4 weeks. I did it, I think, the second week. Yeah, I did it the second week in February. And it's now February 27th, now that I'm doing recording the voiceover on this video. I still have it in my hair. I will do a few makeup looks, wearing it, of course. I think I'm going to wear it for like maybe 2 more weeks because it's very, very durable. I've even changed the way I had it in the front right there, like because my braid was not really right. So I braided it over. And I've redone the front maybe 3 times. So this is very, very versatile. If you are one that is trying to reserve your edges or grow them back in, or if you just have thin hair and you don't want to pull it back, this is great. You'll see at the end it's very, very, very concealed. If you want to pull it up, you can just leave some little pieces of hair down in the front to cover the front, or you can just wear a pretty headband. That's typically what I do. When I pull them up, I just wear a headband or like some little cute scarf. But I'm just going to let you all continue to watch, comment on it, get some engagement going on the channel. I know I've said a few things about what I'm going to do, but life happens and you just kind of get discouraged or just unmotivated, but I have an abundance of videos. Y'all, I'm just gonna be honest. I hate editing videos. Like, I wish I could just post a raw footage of what I have, but y'all will be like, this girl ain't got sense of a hermit crab. But y'all, I just hate editing. I have so much footage. I have a backup hard drive that has, I forget how big it is. Like, I think it's whatever, like one of the biggest bites that you can have, and it's almost full because I record stuff and I don't want to edit it. I'm like, I don't want to edit it. I have my bedroom video, I have my kitchen renovation, I have my small bathroom coming, home decor. I have so many things on that. Like, I've done Zion hair like 6 times. I'm like, I need to edit this stuff. Like, why do I want to edit it? I need an editor, but I'm too cheap to pay somebody. So, yeah, I'm just going to put that out there. So that's why I haven't posted in a while, because I don't feel like editing. Sometimes I'll feel it and just be on a roll with it, but sometimes I'm like, that take too long to cut all that stuff out. So I may just start posting raw footage and just let y'all trip out on it, because I laugh at it myself, especially when Zion cuts in and out of here. Those are the most hilarious parts. Most of it has to be cut out because she's always in her underwear, and I'm not showing my baby in her underwear. I could try to blur it, but I don't know. But I am wanting to change and things up. Like I said, I've started to do a little bit of a series, but just getting it all together takes time. Like, YouTube takes time, my friends. It really, really does. And sometimes we're not feeling good, like my voice is sounding all crazy. You just don't want to do it. But luckily, I'm not doing this for a living. If I was, I would be screwed. But if you have any questions about anything, let me know. And I did end up doing the invisible method in here somewhere. I think I started it kind of like on the left side right there, or maybe on my right side, but on your left, since it's kind of backward per se. But I'm just going to continue to do it and stay to the end, and I will do what I typically do, come on at the end and act a fool or do whatever I typically do. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of Neferpersona and her vivacious personalities. This is more of a mellow personality, I should say, because I'm not feeling too well. But yeah, I may be more vivacious in the next video. Probably. Peace, y'all. Bye. Alright, for those that are still here, this is the end result, and this is actually week 3. I know I said that before, maybe. That's another picture of the stock card. I think I want to try that color that's on the stock card next, maybe. But y'all, look at this hair. No, I didn't do the front over here, but I did do the front over on today, actually. Because it had got kind of loose, because I did pull it up. And I'm just going to turn around and show you the back. Don't mind that sheet that I got up to my window, but it was really cold, y'all. So that's why the sheet is up there. I tried to weatherize my house as much as possible because it was cold. Didn't want to lose no unnecessary heat. But look at this. It looks so good. The older the hair, the better. I like it. So full. All I do is spread a little bit of water on there, a little bit of wig shine here and there, and finger detangle. But look how it's curly on the end. Like, that's one of my favorite parts. Really, really, really curly. So let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Have a good day, good night, good evening, good morning, whatever time of day it is. Bye.